everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little get ready with me. That's so random, I feel like I literally never do these on my channel, but I'm so excited for it. Today we're actually going to my friend Tasha's wedding reception, so I thought it would be the perfect time to just do a little get ready with me, have a drink together, always an excuse, we can have a chat. It's just going to be a very chilled video today. I have been getting a few questions recently about my makeup, so I thought this is the perfect chance just to combine everything together, show you this little makeup routine which is pretty much my go-to whenever I go out. And also I thought I'd include this little slick back hair look because I'm not going to lie, I'm loving the fact that you can have greasy hair but you can make it look good with this whole trend of the slick buns. So I'm really loving that, and that's the little video today. I really hope you enjoy it. If you are new here and this is the first time you've seen my channel, I'd love you to stick around and stay and subscribe, basically, that'd be great. So before I get on with sharing the makeup and hair with you, I just want to really quickly share with you some new jewellery pieces that I've got from Ana Luisa, the little cute packages again. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I'm just obsessed. I absolutely love their jewellery, and I've actually had my second piercings done recently, which I don't think I've actually said on my channel, but I just love them so much and I could only change them today. So I mean, it's perfect timing, and I've got these little, I will do you a close-up, they're kind of these little like lightning bolt earrings from Ana Luisa. I just feel like they had the best quality jewellery. Not too high prices, they have gold jewellery and super sustainable brand, but these ones are the little like lightning bolt earrings, and I'm not gonna lie, I got the inspo from Molly May because ever since I saw her have little lightning bolts in her ears, I'm like, you know what, I need to get those, but I need to get them at an affordable price. So Ana Luisa is here to help. I also do have 2 pairs of earrings for my mum, so I'm actually going to get mum involved, get Ruth on the channel again. I know you all love when she's on the channel, but yeah, they are having a Mother's Day sale, which is 20% off site-wide, so I'll leave a link down below for you to shop. I will show you the 2 pairs I've got for my mum, and then we'll give them to her. Ana Luisa's little huggy earrings are just my absolute go-to, so mum actually got 2 of these pairs for her, which is so exciting because she's always stealing mine. I actually have these ones on at the minute, which are Ana Luisa, but they're not part of this little collaboration. But I've got mum these ones, which are kind of like a little gold hoop. Again, there will be close-ups with the little diamantes around them, so they're super, super cute. And then we've also got these ones, which are quite similar, but they're kind of like a double hoop. Let's see what she thinks, and she can wear them and show you with her little cute outfit. Ruth on the channel, I'm going to show her the earrings. I did already show you them earlier, didn't I?
You did.
So I'm going to give you another look. We can have another little reaction here. So this is the first pair. You can pick which ones you want to wear with your outfit tonight. That's what we're going to do.
These are so gorgeous.
They are. I was going to say, I have a pair like that. Aren't they such a dupe? I have a pair like that which were so expensive. And I think that's why you picked those, right?
I did.
A little dupe.
Because I have wanted to steal Georgia's earrings, that she had them. So
no,
thank you. These are amazing.
Then we have these, the second options. These are the little double earrings.
Yeah.
Which ones do you think you're going to go for?
What do you think?
I feel like we should go double.
Okay.
Let's pop those ones in.
Okay.
Yeah, the earrings are in. Try and give a little show. They look so pretty. They literally look so nice.
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you.
You're welcome. So yeah, Ana Luisa, go shop them. Okay, this actually does feel weird. I have not done a get ready with me in what feels like, and what probably is like a year and a half. So we're going to actually get straight on into it. But yeah, we're going to start with the skin, which is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. If you have not got this, you need to get your hands on it if you like a glowy makeup base, because it's just incredible. Like, look at that glow. Like, I always see in that glow, it's incredible. So the next thing I'm using is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This stuff is incredible. This is in shade 3. I think shade 3 is good for me with or without a tan, so that's why I love it. I can use it on like no makeup days, but I can also use it as like a base under makeup. Again, absolute holy grail. I feel like everything I'm going to use in this video is just everything I'd recommend and what I always use if I do like a full makeup look. So that is the base pretty much done. I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. This, again, holy grail. I've used this for years. I've flicked between a few different foundations, and I am actually quite tempted at the minute to try the Charlotte Tilbury one. So if anybody's tried it, please let me know like if it's any good, because I am quite tempted to try that. But if you're looking for a good foundation that doesn't cost you like £100, L'Oreal True Match, it's literally like £9.99. You can't go wrong. This is the base. When I was younger, I always used to do the base last, so I used to do my eyes first. As I've got older, I just think that's weird. Like, if I do my eyes first, I feel like I can't judge like how the makeup's going to go, if that makes sense. So I always start with my skin first. But what I do is I do my foundation, then eyes, and then I do everything else. I don't know. That's the order I go for. I'm going to put a little bit of fake tan on my neck after. I am going to be one of those girls who just tans the bits that are out. I've always been that girl, I'm not going to lie. Sometimes I will do like a full-on tan routine. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that loving tan is just my go-to. But sometimes I just tan the bits that are out, and I don't think that's a bad thing. I think that's a productive thing. You're not wasting your time. Realistically, what's the point of me tanning my whole legs if I'm wearing trousers? Do you know what I mean? So we're not doing that today. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is eyebrows. And I actually use the two products from Refi. I don't always use the kind of stick down glue from Refi, so I'm going to just go for these two products today because that is what I usually do. So this is like the pencil from Refi, and it has the little brush the other end. So I'm just going to spoolie through these. My mirror is over there, by the way. So I just kind of brush them into place. And I just use the little pencil to kind of draw a line here. So I'm going to try and come close for you. I just draw a straight line here. Like that. And then just kind of keep doing little brush strokes. Just to give that like square edge. That's my favourite thing about brows, having the like square edge here. Tash, whose wedding it is, actually is my brow and lash lady, but I've been going to her for so long that I'm actually so happy we're invited to her wedding. Like, it's going to be such a fun night, and I feel like my brows are just letting her down tonight. I haven't had them done in a while. They really need some TLC, so Tash, if you're watching, I really need to book in. That is kind of the brow shape I go for, so I'm going to go ahead, do that on the other side and come back to you. I feel like a 2014 MUA, and I'm absolutely here for it. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm sorry if there was a little bit of a change in lighting. I've turned my bedroom light on because it's literally going dark outside, and I don't want the video to miraculously all of a sudden go dark when sunset hits. So I'm just making precautions here. But yeah, the brows are done with this product first of all. Then I go in with this, which is actually the brow pomade. So it's in this little bit. You've probably seen the Refi products like a million times, but the little thing here, and I will literally just very gently like just go through with like little brush strokes and just kind of fill them in, but I don't like them to be too full. So now I'm actually going to do eyes, and then we'll finish the rest of the face. It's a funny order, I know, but this is just how it makes sense in my brain. I don't know, that's how I do it. In terms of eyes, base, I literally use the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer just to cover any like redness. I literally will blend that with my finger, and then I'll just set that with either a powder or like a white eyeshadow. So I'll show you that in a second. Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, which I actually got in the Glossy Box advent calendar, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to use the shade Momentum. If you can see this one here, it's kind of like a good match for my skin just to blend over the eyes. I'm going to use that just to set down the concealer. Then in terms of what I'm going to do on the actual eyes, I'm literally going to go quite simple. I think I'm going to use these kind of two brown shades here. And then I'm just going to go for like probably one of these glitters. Probably that one, I'm thinking, like a coppery. So I'm just going to take a different brush now. This is the Morphe M139 in case anyone's interested. So I'm literally going to just pop these colours through my crease first of all. So yeah, I'm just going to blend these colours until it looks nice. Like, it's nothing too in-depth here. I'm literally just going to blend them through the crease until I'm happy with like the shape of like the out of the eyes and stuff. Kind of just do like a circular motion here and then just blend through the crease until I'm happy with that colour, and then I'm literally just going to go with some sparkle. That's literally what I'm going to do. For me with eyes, I feel like what makes the biggest difference to my makeup is my under the eyes. Like, I do go very dark with that when I go out, and I feel like that is what looks the most different from my like daytime makeup. So I'm going to just go with the sparkles on the lid. That is pretty much the eyes done. I'm now going to finish the rest of the face, then we'll come back and do the under eyes. So the same Collection concealer and just put that under my eyes. This one is running out. I really need to get another one, but I like to just do a sharp line here just to give some sort of shape. I do just kind of buff it in like this. Just like that, and I feel like I do look ridiculously pale at the minute, but it's all going to come together. Once we've got the bronzer, once we've done all of that, it's going to come together. I do just kind of leave that line quite harsh there, like you can see, just because I do like the shape of it being like everything with my makeup from here on out. You'll see I just try and lift, like the blusher will be up here, the bronzer will be up here. Like, I like it all to be like very like this. So I feel like this shape kind of does that for me. I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other eye, and I'll come back. I went to get a makeup brush from downstairs, and their gin has absolutely just fell into my hand, so cheers. Next thing we're going to do is go with the powder. The big fluffy brush and just dust this everywhere. I will just avoid where I'm going to put my liquid blush though. We're now doing contour. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I just pretty much use the bronzer in this. Sorry, the mirror is so dirty. As you can see, I use it all the time. This brush again, Morphe, just like a little contour one. I'm going to start from like above the ear in circles and then just kind of go like this. I just like it to be really high up. I just feel like that gives you such a better shape to your face, so that is what I do with that. A little bit of the bronzer on my forehead, and I literally just do it in a number 3, so I go here, then like loop around to where I did there, and then I'll do like my jaw. So this is the liquid blush of choice. I actually got this in a glossy box this month, and it's by Alekia Beauty. I usually do use a sponge to blend this out, but sometimes I do find that a brush can kind of do the trick, because recently I've been using a sponge for my liquid blush, and for some reason it's been like putting a hole in my foundation. I don't know if anyone knows what I mean, but it kind of just seems to be too wet and then goes through. So I'm going to just use the brush, but I'm going to just put a drop here. Okay, I feel like I'm going to spread that out because it's quite a lot, and then I'm just going to try and again blend this up. I feel like that's nice and glowy, but I don't feel like it's very blushy. You know, like I'm not seeing much pink here. I feel like we might have to expand and use 2 blushes, which is okay. I love using blush, so we can go for 2. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liquid highlighter and just put that on the high points again of my face, just to add even more of a glow. And then I'm going to use my powder blusher to kind of finish everything off with the skin. But yeah, that is the highlighter. And then we're going to finish off the whole skin. I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk blusher and add just like extra pink now to the apples of the cheeks, and then going up again. I just honestly feel like we can't have too much blusher. Okay guys, the blush is done. I've added some more. I've then also baked under here, so it looks a bit crazy right now, but it's okay. I'm then just going to go in. I feel like I look like a clown. Like, it isn't going to be this extreme obviously, because the powder will come off. I'm now going to do the under the eye, so I'm going to go with the exact same colour I used in the crease, but I'm also going to use a little bit of this dark colour, and this is genuinely my favourite step of the makeup. Like, I feel like under the eyes being dark just makes your eyes pop so much more, so I'm going to go with that. Bottom lash mascara, we're going with the Zoeva Infinite Potential Mascara. I'm not really fussy with mascara, I'm not going to lie, only because I have my lashes done anyway. So really all the bottom lash mascara has got to do is like coat the bottom lashes like so. But now we're going to do the lips. A couple of lip favourites, they're all pretty much Charlotte Tilbury. This one's Stoned Rose, which is like a kind of orangey colour, which is the one I'm going to go for right now, because it kind of will match the coppery look. But I also really love Pillow Talk, and I really love the Pillow Talk liner as well. So today I'm going to go for Stoned Rose and just literally go for it. We are now going to brush off this, and then that's the makeup complete, literally. So moving on to the hair, we're going to need a few products. So first of all, this Gliss Schwarzkopf, I don't know how to say it, I feel like I'm going to say it wrong. This is just leave-in conditioner, and I actually saw Emily Philpott say that she used leave-in conditioner on her hair for a slick back bun, and it changed my life. It's so good, so I'm going to use that. 2 brushes, these are just both Denman brushes, which they very kindly sent to me. Just like a normal brush, and then one which is a backcombing brush, but that's really good for like getting the slick look. And then hairspray, and then 2 bobbles. That's all you're going to need. First of all, we're going to get this, and we're literally just going to commit to the cause. We're going to just start going with it. I feel like once you spray this on, there's no going back, because you've literally wet your hair, you cannot have it down. So we spray this all over and make it pretty wet, but not like excessive. For the big brush first, and literally just try and shape it. So I'm brushing it all back. I literally haven't brushed the ponytail because there's no point, it's going to be in a bun. But I do a middle part here, like a complete central part, and just keep brushing down, and I'll literally just keep going with it. And I like my bun to be low enough to look like a low bun, but high enough so you can see some spikes coming out the top. Don't want anything around the ears, like I just like it to be super slick. And then I'll kind of shape it around the front, like down and back. Like I'll keep going down and back. Same on the other side, like down and back. And then a really important bit as well is brushing up, like from the bottom, so you don't have loads of flyaways. And I'm really careful not to have any of these gaps in the hair. So just keep brushing until like your hair's literally covered your scalp. Just like that, so it's super smooth. Once I've got the ponytail bit right, I will get the first bubble and just secure that in. Some hairspray, and then I'll go for the slick brush, like the backcombing one, and just again make sure there's no gaps and just kind of smooth it. I think the trick with this is not to fully brush so it pulls bits out, but kind of just smooth with it. Then just keep hairspraying and smoothing all the way round. can also use your hands as well. Then with the bun, I literally will just start to twist it around. Just keep twisting and twisting and twisting and go all the way around. But I'll try and pull it so that there's enough left at the top to do the spikes. So that kind of hasn't worked. I'll just like keep redoing this bit until it leaves the right amount. So twist the other way now and try that. Yes, the other way today just worked better, so you can see those spikes up there. Then take the other bobble. Sorry, I feel like this is so hard to explain and do. But yeah, other bobble and just twist around the bun. You can also take some grips as well, but then with these bits I just kind of spike them out like that, and then I just hairspray the F out of the hot food. Like I just hairspray it so much, and then I'll go in again under here so there's no like bump here. Hairspray it and use the slick. And then again just making sure there's no gaps in the hair. You can use this brush to like sort those gaps out. That is pretty much the bun done. Like it's super bold looking from the front, but from the side like you've just got these little flicky bits. And throughout the night, like if these bits go down, I'll just like go to the bathroom and keep pulling them out because I just like them to be there. I feel like it makes the look so much nicer. So now we're going to go for outfit. The hair and makeup is done. Hopefully that made sense. I feel like that was stressful to try and explain and do. We're going to try and pick an outfit and then I'll be back to finish the whole look off. I am going to wear this top. This is just from Zara, and then I have got blue trousers on, which I'll try and insert like a full length clip or a photo on screen of the whole outfit. But that is the look. I'm going to go for some clear heels as well. I'm thinking of doing a get ready with me next weekend because I'm actually going to Bottomless Brunch with Lily. I filmed a night out in Birmingham with Lily, if anyone remembers that. We are going to do a video together next weekend, so definitely subscribe to that, or maybe we'll do a say or shot it. Leave me a comment down below what you prefer and we'll go for that one. But yeah, don't forget about the Anna Louisa sale. I'll leave a link down below. Like I said, honestly the pieces, couldn't recommend them enough. I'm blown away every single time. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to actually get going because I was meant to leave like half an hour ago. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!